We start with the Model 3, but that's only in China and Europe, not in the US.
I kept refreshing the Tesla webpage to see if it was in the US, but it's just in China and Europe, which makes sense. They retold the China factory first.
Okay, we've been waiting on that one. It's more of a surprise potentially, the continual downward price of the Models S and X, the most expensive Tesla offerings.
It's a tiny share of their overall sales, but by slashing the prices, they now qualify for the $7,500 tax credit under the Inflation Reduction Act in the United States. This is an all-out push by Elon Musk to chase volume. He telecast to everyone that that's what he would do.
I think the line from Elon Musk has always been that they are willing to sacrifice profit to protect growth. Explain that to us.
They're willing to sacrifice profit margins or gross margins to maintain their market share. Ed has put the other automakers on their back heel, so how do you compete with Tesla on price?
I think we can quickly reflect back on the big breaking news of this week that the federal prosecutors are looking into this procurement order we reported on a year ago. The subpoenas have been issued, and this is the latest twist and turn, but it centers around Omi Dashar. Just explain who Omi Dashar is and why we're talking about him.
He's an interesting character in that he seems to work at all of Elon Musk's companies. He's the architect. At one point, he had a VP role at SpaceX, and even though he's at the center of this probe, because he apparently ordered people at Tesla to order the special for a house Elon Musk was building.